Welcome to the Food and Drug Administration hearings. We are here to decide if ECT devices should be moved from the most dangerous class of medical devices to something on the order of elastic bandages. We have Dr. Richard Abrams of Somatics to tell us why these machines should be moved into a kinder classification. Dr. Abrams.
Thank you, Madam Chairman. Our argument is simple, based on federal law. These devices were grandfathered in under the Devices Act, and therefore, we have decades of proof of their safety.
Dr. Abrams, let me explain to everyone what grandfathering is. Medical devices that were in existence before the Medical Devices Act was enacted in 1976 were able to be slipped in without having to undergo the pre-market approval process now required. This includes safety testing.
Madam, we consider 80+ years of use to be our safety testing.
Dr. Abrams, please control yourself and wait your turn to speak. The FDA has been lobbied by the ECT device manufacturers, primarily Somatics, owned by Dr. Abrams and his friend, and Mecta, owned by a fun couple who likes to party.
Party time!
Buy our EasyBar for your casinos.
Order. Order. As I was saying, these companies have lobbied the FDA. Dr. Abrams?
Under federal law, our devices can change classes without the required safety testing because it is assumed that years of use in the field is proof our machines are safe.
Here is a summary of identified risks, provided by the manufacturers. Sir, if the devices have been changed, improved upon or modified, then they are considered new devices and must undergo our usual testing procedures.
Yes, madam. But you see, our machines are basically the same as they always were. They look a little more high-tech, but they remain the same.
You mean they haven't changed in 80 years, sir?
No, it is such a scientifically sound procedure that there is no need. Our machines are the same as they always were, and we demand that they be reclassified.
Dr. Abrams, you say I need shock therapy, but I've heard so many scary things.
Patient Fizzy, this is a very scientific procedure and nothing like what you've seen portrayed in the movies. Today's ECT is new and improved. The machines are very different and very safe.
You mean I won't flip all over the table?
No, ha ha ha. That's the old way. Now we give you a drug to keep you still, and your toe will wiggle. You won't feel a thing and will be good as new.
How is it different?
Don't you worry your little head, dear. Our machines are so complicated now that you could not possibly understand. Just know that the old machines were simple boxes without much control, and today's machines are fancy computers like spaceships. Would you consider a modern SUV the same as an old Ford from the 1930s?
Well, no.
I understand, Dr. Abrams. Thank you. To sum up for our panel, the manufacturers want ECT devices moved into a lower classification and they should be exempt from pre-market testing and safety studies, because of the loophole in the law that says if the device remains the same then no testing is needed, or in this case, no safety testing at all.
I am a former engineer with one of the companies, and this company sent out defective machines, knowing that the on button would get stuck, and continue sending electricity into the brain, until the operator realized it, and manually shut down the machine.
Guards, send this man to Gitmo. He is a terrorist suspect and promoting terrorism by trying to prevent desperate people from getting the precious gold that is ECT.
It's true. The FBI investigated, but determined the statute of limitations had run out, and no charges could be filed.
Party on!
Mrs. Nichols, please stop. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This concludes our FDA hearings.
So you see, Fizzy, ECT is safe and easy with today's fancy machines. Nothing like the old days. And if you're lucky, you will get a cookie.
Thank you, Dr. Abrams. You are wonderful. I love you.
You can show your appreciation later.